This video tutorial I will explain WhatsApp system design. What is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a messaging app. Using that you can send text messages, make voice and video calls, share media files and create groups. WhatsApp needs to handle billions of users worldwide in real time, which requires a solid system design. What are the key components of WhatsApp system design? First one is client server architecture. WhatsApp uses client server model where your phone is the client which communicates with WhatsApp servers. Why this approach? It ensures all devices stay synchronized. For example, if you send a message on your phone, it will show up on the WhatsApp web. Next one is end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp messages are protected by end-to-end encryption. What does this mean? Only the sender and the receiver can read the messages. Even WhatsApp servers cannot see the content of your chats. Next one is messaging queue. Messages are temporarily stored on WhatsApp servers in the message queue if the recipient is offline. Once the recipient comes online, the message is delivered and the message is deleted from the server. Next one is real-time communication. WhatsApp uses the XMPP, which is nothing but Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol for real-time messaging. This protocol helps in maintaining a constant connection between users and the server to send messages instantly. Next one is media storage and delivery. Media files like photos, videos, and voice notes are stored in WhatsApp servers temporarily. Once the recipient downloads the file, it is deleted from the server to save the storage space. Next one is notification. WhatsApp uses push notifications to alert users when a new message arrives. On Android and iOS, this is managed by service like Google Firebase and Apple Push Notification Service, which is also called APNS. Here you can see sequence diagram of how WhatsApp working. Here you can see the participants. First one is user, which is nothing but the phone which user use. And next one is WhatsApp app, which is the app which is installed in the phone. Then WhatsApp server, then WhatsApp app in the recipient side, and then recipient, which is nothing but the recipient phone. When you type a message and hit send, the message is first encrypted on your phone. The encrypted message is sent to the WhatsApp server. If the recipient is online, the message is instantly forwarded to their device. If the message is offline, the message stays in the server queue until their phone reconnects. Once the recipient phone receives the message, it decrypts the message and displays the message in their chat window. WhatsApp shows delivery statuses using ticks. One tick means message sent to the server. Two ticks means message delivered to the recipient. Blue ticks means message read by the recipient. Here you can see what are the different blocks involved in WhatsApp system design. Here you can see sender device. Here you can see WhatsApp server. And here you can see recipient's device. When you type a message and hit send, the message is first encrypted on your phone. The encrypted message is sent to the WhatsApp server. If the recipient is online, the message is instantly forwarded to their device. If the message is offline, the message stays in the server queue until their phone reconnects. Once the recipient phone receives the message, it decrypts the message and displays the message in their chat window. WhatsApp shows delivery statuses using ticks. One tick means message sent to the server. Two ticks means message delivered to the recipient. Blue ticks means message read by the recipient. WhatsApp features and their design. First one is real-time messaging. WhatsApp uses push notifications to deliver messages instantly. It relies on protocols like SMPP, which is nothing but Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol for efficient message exchange. Next one is media sharing. When you share photos, videos, or files, They are compressed to reduce the size and uploaded to WhatsApp server. The recipient downloads the media once it is available. Next one is group chats. Messages sent to the group are delivered to all members individually. The server handles message distribution efficiently. Next one is voice and video calls. WhatsApp uses VoIP technology to handle calls. Calls are encrypted for security and use peer-to-peer connections whenever possible. Next one is WhatsApp Web. The web interface connects to your phone using QR code. Messages are still sent and received through your phone only. What are the key technologies used? Erlang is used for building a scalable and fault-tolerant system. XMPP is used for real-time messaging. WebRTC is used for voice and video calls. Firebase or APNS is used for sending push notifications. WhatsApp uses NoSQL databases like Cassandra to store user information and chat history efficiently. WhatsApp uses Redis for hashing to improve the speed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.